Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we dive into the story of Michael Barisone, once an elite U.S. dressage rider and Olympian alternate, who is now navigating life after a dramatic fall from grace. Where is he now? Let's find out. Michael Barisone was a rising star in American equestrian sport. He served on the U.S. team, was an alternate for the 2008 Olympics, and built the Hawthorne Hill dressage facility in New Jersey. His reputation was solid, a trainer to promising riders and a respected competitor. Everything looked on track until things changed. In August 2019, Barisone was arrested after a shooting at his own facility in Long Valley, New Jersey. He faced charges including attempted murder of one of his students, Lauren Kanarek, and her boyfriend. In April 2022, a New Jersey jury found him not guilty by reason of insanity on the attempted murder charge. Following the verdict, he was transferred to a psychiatric facility for treatment and later ordered to meet several conditions upon potential release, including staying in New Jersey, remaining under psychological care, avoiding firearms and alcohol, and having no contact with the victim. Where is Michael Barisone now? As of now, Michael Barisone is residing in White House Station, New Jersey, under court-ordered conditions of release from psychiatric care. He remains under supervision and treatment, rather than returning to his former equestrian business activities. There have also been discussions about him possibly relocating to Florida under supervision, but this would require strict court monitoring. His horse training business and once high-profile role in dressage remain halted for now. Michael Barisone's journey is a stark reminder of how quickly life can change from Olympic hopeful and respected coach to a figure entangled in legal and psychological crisis. Whether he returns to the sport remains uncertain. What's clear is that he's now in a very different chapter of life, rebuilding under restrictions and far from the spotlight he once knew. Thanks for watching the video. If you found this episode insightful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more real-life updates on where they are now.